Hello everybody, it is your baby boomer Kitty Lane from the Peninsula in Virginia, back with another ASL version of Create and Relate. So, as promised, we are coming today with your Quiz Me Quiz. It is the second quiz of the ASL series. This quiz is not for me. This quiz is for you guys. It's so that you can see your own progress. I don't need you to send me any answers, none of that. Just get a piece of paper, a notebook. Me personally, I would have a notebook so I could keep everything together and jot down little notes and stuff. But if you don't want to do that, I got videos. And if you go into my playlist and hit ASL, you'll get all the ASL videos. So, what I'm going to do today is show you, we have learned a total of 22 words thus far. There have been a couple of others that I've thrown in there, but I haven't really gone over as far as teaching them. So, the 22 that I have actually taught, I'm going to bring to you today. I'm going to show you each sign 3 times. Okay? And at the end, I will sum it up and I will tell you the words, not in any particular order. As a matter of fact, I have chosen the order in which to show the words, and then I'm going to go back and give the list of words in alphabetical order. That way, if you want to jot them down, you can do that, and then you can go back and look at the signs and see if you can match the word with the sign. Okay? If you have any questions whatsoever, please do not hesitate to reach out to me through either the community page, comments below, or you can email me at kittylane.createandrelate@gmail.com. I'm going to try to squeeze that in there somewhere. If not, it's in the description box below. Also, 330 subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I feel like none of this would be possible without you guys, and I thank you so much. Thank you. Please encourage your friends to come in and watch, listen, let the playlist play. I desperately, desperately, desperately need viewing hours, and I need more video views as well. Don't forget to hit that thumb. And when you subscribe and you see that notification bell, make sure you hit the one with the dimples so that you'll always know when I'm dropping fresh content. Okay, so here we go. First word. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. Number 11. I'm sorry, wrong one. Number 11, redo. Number 12. Number 13. Okay. Number 14. Number 15. Number 16. Number 17. Number 18. Number 19. Number 20. Number 21. And last but not least, 22. Okay, that is your 20. Those were your 22 words signed. Now I'm going to give you the list of words that we have studied so far, if you didn't write them down from the last video or from previous videos. We have apple, art, ball, begin, color, crochet, cut, day, decrease, drop, each, easy, edge, forget, frog, front, graph, group, grow, halo, haul, and help. Okay, those are your 22 words in alphabetical order. You can go back and look at your signs again if that'll help. I hope all of this is helping you in a major way. Don't forget the 3 tips that I gave you as far as learning to read sign language as well as perform sign language. And that is, teach someone. And as you see them do it back, you're learning, you're also teaching them. Do it in a mirror. You see what they look like coming from in front of you as opposed to you just doing them. Same thing with a camera. Use a camera, take pictures, go back and look at take videos, go back and look at your videos and see what you've done. So, and it's seeing from your perspective because everybody, it's just like a signature. It's just like a fingerprint. Everybody does it just a tad bit differently. So sometimes learning it from the way you're doing it may resonate a little better. So try those 3 tips out. See how many of these words you got. And just let me know how you're doing. Like I said, if you need any help at all, please do not hesitate to leave a comment in the comment box or go to my community page or send me an email at kittylane.createandrelate@gmail.com. Don't forget to love on yourselves as much as you possibly can because self-love is the greatest love of all. And you can't give others the love that they deserve if you don't love yourself the way that you deserve. And you deserve the best. And know throughout this whole process that I love you. I truly and genuinely love you. Until we see each other again on these YouTube streets, peace.